What's up, family? I'm Walt Talks, and this is the Iron Sharpening Iron Show, a place where real people share real stories, stories that inspire, challenge, and remind us all that growth comes through connection. This movement was built by my brother, Big Jack, of Big Jack StoryTime, a man with a mission to bring people together, one conversation at a time. Every episode, we sit down with incredible guests from all walks of life, diving deep into purpose, passion, and perseverance. Around here, it's not just talk, it's transformation. Because as we always say, we are stronger together. If each one would reach one, we all can grow and glow. So get ready to laugh, learn, and level up. Right here on the Iron Sharpening Iron Show, where we're all about real stories, real people, and real growth.